Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Systeme for Agency. Systeme.io helps businesses create and launch sales funnels, affiliate programs, email marketing campaigns, online courses, blogs, and websites. The only marketing platform that gives you everything you need to start and grow a successful online business. The Systeme features work together to help you save time and effort. The Systeme platform was created for entrepreneurs, simplifying the process of building a business. If you're a new user or want to upgrade to a paid plan, you can get a free account. In just minutes, you can create your own funnel. We'll then do the rest. Easy to use, our sales funnel editor is designed to make building one simple. Our templates are designed to help speed up the process. You can easily integrate your membership sites, payment methods, and email list with our templates. Get started by automating your funnel steps. You can also trigger email sequences to allow your customers to access your courses. You don't need technical expertise to start a business online. You can easily manage all aspects of your business with just one platform. Course creators, freelancers, consultants, small business owners. Get your free account now. We make the process easier so that you can concentrate on growing your business. Free forever. No credit card required. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.